Hello, in front of me I've got Jaecoo 5. In this video I'll show you how to activate and manage speed limiter. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. To activate speed limiter, simply press limit button. Now, press set button to start it. Press rest plus button to increase speed limit, minus button to decrease. You can see the current speed limit on the instrument cluster. To disable this function, again press limiter button, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.